Christine at dito ay kitang-kita na walang indikasyon na siya ay pinainom ng gamot na pampahilo. Wala ring nakitang bahid ng droga sa kanyang dugo. Wala ring indikasyon na si Christine ay hinalay. Makikita ang hymen report na may nakalagay na presence of deep healed laceration na ang ibig sabihin ay matagal na ang laceration.
Gusto lang naman sana ni Christine is magsaya nung year-end party na yun. Kung ano man kapapo yung ginawa niya sa anak ko, hindi deserve ni Christine.
Based doon sa nakita ng show ko natin, doon sa scene, mayroong mga bote ng whiskey, vodka, so various alcohol. Supposedly, nagsasabi na parang mayroong
hello?
Hey, babe.
Who is this?
This is Vicky, right?
Oh, no, this is Victoria.
No, yeah, that's what I meant.
What's what you meant?
I heard you were single.
Single as in, wait.
Like solo.
Oh, solo. Do you hablo español?
No, like you're not dating.
Why is everyone always asking me to date? Get a calendar. It's April 20th.
Are you going out with someone else?
No, I'm about to go inside because it's quarantine.
Do you want to eat?
Yeah, I'm actually super hungry right now.
I bet. How about I pick you up?
Pick up what?
You.
What about me?
Let me take you to Chili's.
Oh, it's not chilly outside. It's like 78 degrees. It's actually getting kind of hot in here.
That's because you're there.
Yes, I am here.